Great. So another signal, guys. I got another signal here. I'm trading, as you can see, euro, Japanese yen. Let's open position with $400. Yeah, $400. Sorry. As usual, guys, if you want to trade the way I'm trading, that's okay. You can use my own strategy. I'm sharing the strategy in the description below. I'm also sharing everything I learned over the years in the course in the description below. I will teach you how I trade, how I generate the indicators. There's plenty of good stuff on the course. I advise you to go take a look at the course, and hopefully you will understand and will learn the strategy. And by the way, the strategy is not, the first win. The strategy is not $1 million strategy guaranteed. No, guys, if you want to make profitable trades, you need to spend enough effort, enough time on demo account, trying to learn, trying to understand the strategy, trying to become familiar with the rules of the strategy, because in the strategy there's some rules. You need to apply the rules. You need to discipline yourself. You need to get away from here. You need to walk away from the emotions. You don't have to use emotion, or you have to avoid emotions when you trade in. So that's why I advise you to spend a lot of time on demo account. Yeah, and I advise you also to avoid the mentors, so-called mentors, those who try to sell you signals. I mean, if you want to trade, do it by yourself. You don't need nobody else. Trust me, you don't need nobody else. So we have in this signal. Yeah, almost. You don't need nobody else. Please trust me. Trust me, you don't need nobody else. If anybody tells you to buy his signal, trust me, leave. Don't listen to him. They will try to sell you signals. Their intention is to sell you signals, and that's all. They don't want to help you. The attention is your money. So if you want to trade, you need to do it by yourself. You need to learn a good strategy. You need to learn the indicators. For example, in this case, I'm using parabolic SAR. So the second, another win. I'm using parabolic SAR. I guess the third win, this one. Yeah. Also, I'm using Bollinger Bands. This one is Bollinger Band. Yeah, let's open a short position. This one is going down also. Wait a minute. Yeah. This one is also going down. Yeah, it's going down. I'm using, as I was saying, I'm using the RSI. This RSI, I usually use MACD. So I usually use MACD. But here on binary options, I'm not using MACD. So yeah, great. Another win. Let me just check. Yeah. All right, let's open with $600. $600. Great. $600. So if I'm winning, I'm making $522. So that's 87%. And if I'm losing all the $600. Yeah, another beautiful win. Let me see. Yeah, great. Let's go down. This one is also going down. I generate these signals, guys, with the help of my strategy. There's some rules that help me generate and understand which way, which direction the market is taking. So look at this one, this one, this one, this one is also. Yeah, all of them. I know exactly what's happening here. I know the colors of each one. Yeah, I can predict the next, I guess two. Yeah, I guess the next two candles. We still have two chances to open more trades. Great. Yeah, this one is also going. And so in this case, I'm safe. So even if I'm having a green candle, I'm making another win. That's okay. See, that's why I like it. Yeah. So yeah, I hate this part. This what we call it. So as you can see, the parabolic SAR flipped, changed position. A green candle is trying to be created here. There's some resistance. All right, a red candle. Beautiful. So we made $522. All right, so let's open the last trade. Let's open the last trade. Yeah, this one is gonna be the last trade. I'm sure about it. Oh, wait a minute. No, I guess that I made a mistake over here. So I made a mistake. Yeah, I made another mistake. Let's just wait for it. But that's okay. If I'm losing, I will stop here. I guess I lost. That's okay.